EDUCATRUKI!
Ellie is a little elephant. She is gray and has big ears. She lives in the jungle with her family. But Ellie is not like the other elephants. Ellie asks a lot of questions. Why is the sky blue? Why do birds sing? Why do monkeys jump? Ellie, says her mom, you are very curious. Yes, says Ellie. I want to learn everything. One day, Ellie hears a strange sound. Boom. 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 What is that? She asks. She walks slowly through the jungle. She sees a big tree. She sees a red parrot. Then she sees a drum. A monkey is playing music. Hello, says Ellie. Hello, says the monkey. Do you like music? I love it, says Ellie. The monkey gives her a small drum. Boom. Boom. Ellie plays and smiles. Now Ellie knows. Monkeys play music, too. Comprehension questions. Pause the video as long as you need. What color is Ellie? Where does Ellie live? What does Ellie like to do? What sound does Ellie hear? Playing the drum. What does Ellie learn at the end?